This blissful full moon. I'm going to be washing my hair with this full moon. These are the herbs that's in these. I'm also going to be doing some full moon releasing through writing. I'm going to be burning things that I wrote down. I'm going to be reading it. I'm not attached anymore. Not to my body, my hair, or any place or anything. Detaching these aspects of me releases all of my guilt, shame, resentment, confusion, judgment, and need to prove anything to anyone. I love remembering who I am. Nothing is new under the sun. All is creation. And all is one, experiencing uniqueness. I feel free to express me. I'm no longer locked in. I'm the keys to the locks of every door I enter, of every road I ride, and every person I come in path with. I am the keys, and I unlock every door, and I unlock every aspect of joy, happiness, and authenticness with ease. I am the keys that bridges every gap and brings flow with every stream. What I no longer resonate with, what I'm shameful of, guilt I may be holding inside, I release from my rise. I shed the low vibrational tendencies along with the tears needed to flow into my authentic loving self. I release rage and anger built up and locked inside of my train of thoughts. I release people pleasing. I release laziness and procrastination. I am what I need and desire. I am what I need and desire, and what I desire desires me. What I love loves me, and what makes me happy, I embrace all that energy. And I replenish and share with others daily that loving energy throughout my existence. I accept and love myself unconditionally, and I'm grateful for what life offers me. I learn from my lessons and always give love and light to others. Ashe, ashe, and it is so. May peace, love, joy, and light be upon me and be upon all souls. The first one I read, I'm not attached to my body. Ashe, 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 and it is so. I release rage, I release anger, resentment. I release everything that's not meant for my rise. I release everything that was attached to this. Release, release, release. Release to rise. I release to rise.
Let's all restore the Garden of Eden in our own yards to sustain, nourish, and provide for our communities to have a bountiful harvest for all. Here are some examples of how we can play our part in the restoration of the garden. By simply saving seeds, roots, and bringing back the bartering system, we'll restore and recreate a bountiful harvest for all. There are so many ways to get involved in our community. However, most of these sustainability projects need further funding and/or donations to be successful. Your generous donation will help us create a lush, self-sustaining food forest that not only nourishes our body, but also nourishes our spirits. By supporting this project, you are investing in a healthier, greener future for everyone. Together, we can cultivate a space that brings people together, teaches valuable skills, and sustain our community for years to come. Join us in this transformative journey. Donate today to help restore the Garden of Eden and make our community self-sustainable. Every contribution, big or small, brings us one step closer to a thriving, sustainable future. Sending love, light, and healing to you on your journey.